Hey kings and queens, peace, love and light. Hope you're doing alright so far. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started. Now, I offer over 6 products and services currently, so let's run through them real quickly. Now, if you or anyone you know would like to have any type of capsules, whether it's a medicinal herb, whether it's a plant, whatever it might be, we have a capsule machine. We do a variety of capsule sizes. We have our clear capsules. We also have our black and white capsules, and these are vegan capsules, guys, so it's no artificial anything. These are all natural, biodegradable. The moment you swallow them, they begin to digest within your body. The next product we're going to touch on is our organic seeds and nuts. Now guys, it's a lot that we have to cover. We have our labels here. This is the packaging. Let me tell you the types of nuts that we'll be offering moving forward. We have cashews, we have almond, we have peanut, we have cranberry, walnut, pistachio, Brazilian nuts, chia seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, flax seeds, prunes, and raisins. Now, because I'm trying to keep this video short, let's continue. And this is actually the packaging. We have 2 sizes. We have the small and we have the large. And if you're wondering for the capsules, we have envelopes and pouches for the capsules as well. Now let's go over to our liquids. Now, as you guys know, we do chlorophyll. Now, chlorophyll has a wide variety of benefits. You can see them listed here. But another thing that we're actually going to be making, and we already started making, is immune juice. Now, the immune juice comes in 1 flavor currently. It is the ginger and turmeric flavor. It is really tasty. We took away the bitter taste that you guys were afraid of, and we gave you all the benefits of chlorophyll with a sweeter taste. We use honey and other natural sweeteners to make it. We have it from the 16 ounce going all the way up to the 1 gallon size bottles. All right, let's move forward. Now, another wonderful product that we have is our electrory. Now, if you're wondering, what did I just say? It's a combination of medicinal herbs and honey. Now, I traveled all the way to Portland yesterday and got a gallon bottle of organic, natural, authentic Jamaican honey. Yeah, guys, I got the real stuff. I met the farmer. I got a chance to visit the hive as well. Organic honey combined with medicinal herbs. We have a variety of benefits for the electrolyte that we're going to be selling. I'm going to be listing them here on the screen because it's a lot. We have 7 different types that we'll be covering: immunity, fertility, digestion, parasite cleansing, weight loss. So many benefits. But let's continue because yes, guys, there's more. Now, the next thing we're going to touch on, and yeah, guys, we stocked up. We have everything in bulk. We have our dropper bottles right here. And you might be wondering to yourself, why do we have dropper bottles? Well, the next best thing is right here. We have our organic virgin coconut oil. We infuse our herbs with the medicines that we make, and we infuse them in coconut oil. So if you guys want any of your medicinal herbs in an easy, tasty, simple way to take, you can actually infuse your herbs in honey. One of the main herbs that we use to infuse is oregano. Oregano has so many health benefits, guys. It's antimicrobial, it is anti-inflammatory, it helps in weight loss, it helps in detoxing your body. Guys, so many benefits, so many new products. So if you or anyone that you know would like to take advantage of these products, whether it's our infused oils or honey infusions or immune juice or chlorophyll or nuts and seeds or capsules, guys, I want you to share this video. Anyone that you know that needs energy, that needs to build their immune system, that needs to lose weight, that wants to become the better version of their best self. A lot of us don't have the time, guys, to eat and have a better quality of life, even exercise. And I want to make it easier and convenient and more convenient for you guys to be healthy, wealthy, and prosperous in all aspects of life. So yeah, guys, any herbs that you would like to have powdered out and capsule, any herb at all, we do offer customization. Any nuts and seeds, whether you want to have them straight or you want to have a combination of a variety of them, I just listed them. They're available right now. Guys, we have our honey infusions, we have our immune juice, we have our chlorophyll. We have everything that you need to have a better, healthier quality of life. So if you're worried about the bitter taste, we got the sweet stuff. If you're worried about the sweet stuff, we have the oil infusions. If you're worried about the oil infusions, we have the nuts. If you're worried about the nuts, we have the capsules. So you have no excuse to not be healthy and wealthy in 2024. Guys, show your support by liking, commenting, and sharing this video with someone. We offer a variety of medicinal benefits and services to help you to lose weight, to become the better version of yourself, and to have a lot of energy and have a wonderful time growing up, learning, experiencing, and having a wonderful life. Peace, love, and light, guys. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful life. I love you and I appreciate appreciate you, and I want you to work on yourself so you can be the better version of your best self. Peace, love, and light.